guys, Ryan here from RPS Dent Specialists. I wanted to bring to you a little frequently asked question when we're estimating your vehicle. So you bring your vehicle into our shop, or we come to your location to take a look at the damage. And we're looking at the damage, and we always, most of the time, have two options to repair your vehicle. You have a dent in your door, we roll the window down, we put a specialized window guard over there and a wedge in there, and we massage the metal out from the inside. So we're getting to the back side of that panel. But sometimes there's tree limb damage, there's ice damage, or there's hail damage. Your vehicle's involved in a hailstorm. And there's that section of the vehicle that is enclosed. And there's a couple of them on your vehicle, depending on your make and model. The most commonly one, when you have hail damage, is the roof rail section. And that roof rail section is completely sealed. So we can't get to the back side of that panel to repair it. So you have another option. You're like, oh my gosh, I don't know what we're gonna do. So you have another option. What we can do is a process called glue pulling. Now what glue pulling is, we take alcohol, we clean your panel wherever we're gonna glue pull. Then we take a little tab, tiny little tabs. There's a bunch of different sizes. There's even ones that fix creases. And what we do is we take a hot glue gun with specialized hot glue, and we just put glue on the tab. After we put the glue on the tab, we stick it to the vehicle. We let it sit for a certain amount of times. And you have a tool like this that is called a slide hammer. And what a slide hammer is, the tab slides into this slot right here, and we pull. Then we have another option, which is called the mini lifter. And what the mini lifter is, same concept. You're gonna slide the tab in the opening, you're gonna put it on the panel, and you're gonna pull. And what that's doing is that is putting pressure on either side and pulling the center. So there is another product that has been out for a little while, and is a product called Gloxo. And what Gloxo is, it's called cold glue. Cold glue, like I said, I use a lot on large damage, but there is sometimes that I do use it on your roof rails. And what it is, it's a black substance that is super, super sticky. It doesn't leave any residue, and it does not have to be hot. So when we're estimating your vehicle and we say, hey, we're gonna have to glue pull this is the process that we have to take. Now the question is, how do you get this tab off of the car if it does not come off with the slide hammer or mini lifter? And all you have to do is spray it with alcohol, and it literally will peel off of the panel. Now there is one variable with glue pulling. Obviously temperature of the vehicle. If it's outside and it's cold out, it's going to affect how the glue sticks. The other thing that we have is it aftermarket paint? Has your vehicle ever been painted by a body shop? Delamination of paint. Sometimes cars get older, the paint starts to fade out, and that's the delamination process. We try to avoid those processes because you do have a larger chance of physically pulling the paint off the panel. But we're pretty lucky with the factory paints. We usually don't have that problem. So don't stress if your vehicle gets hit with hail. If you have damages in these tough areas, we always give it a shot. Glue is a fantastic tool that we've been using for a couple years. And to be honest with you, with some of the repairs that we've been doing, you can't do it without it. Even with some of the larger repairs, I will glue a larger tab to that and pull the bulk of it out before we push. But if you guys have any more questions, or you just want to stop in and say, hey, come check us out at www.rpsdentrepair.com. You guys have a great day. Appreciate you watching. See you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.